The Sandstorm Tavern has opened today. Now this is macro for Sandstorm Tavern. We need to get in the multiplayer mode and transport to Blissful Retreat. Go through and find you Long Quan at the back of carriage on the left. After having a conversation with him and waiting, we arrived at the Sandstorm Tavern. When you arrive here, go straight into the building in the distance and turn left to find the landlady. If this is your first time here, you need to have the conversations with the landlady. You can adjust the playback speed to 3 times here first, and if you haven't adjusted it for a while, you can still do it later. When you have a second conversation with the landlady, you can choose I'd like to get a room, then I'd like a single room solo mode. Here you can change the playback speed to 3.0x speed. In the first round, you need to manually complete the gameplay. When it comes to the first round where you need to choose whether to open the door or not, choose any option and then select it on He Remind Today in the pop-up window. Continue to manually run this round of the game. When running to this interface, start the macro and it will automatically run. Sandstorm Tavern is the fastest and simplest way to obtain Jade Fish, Coin, Character EXP. You can obtain Jade Fish and Coin that reaches the weekly limit in less than an hour.